About once a month, they have a car show in downtown Crossville, Tennessee. They block off a portion of Main Street and let these guys bring their antique and old cars in to show. Today, I'm going to take you downtown and show you what it's all about. So I stopped down here on Main Street and I've seen this Chevrolet here every time I come down here. So I decided today was the day I was going to meet the gentleman that owned it, and he's going to tell us who he is and what this car is all about. What's your name, sir?
My name's Billy Smith.
Billy Smith.
Yep. And it's a 1955 Chevrolet 210. It's got a 350 in it, 4-speed. It's pretty much original except for the tires and the paint job.
How long have you owned it?
I've had it for about 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, maybe longer.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, beautiful car.
Thank you.
So I took a picture of it a while ago, and I just had to come back and talk to you.
Okay, that's good.
Okay,
good.
Billy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. See ya. You know, I've come to this car show lots, okay? It's in my hometown, but I've never stopped and talked to any of the owners of the cars, okay? So today, I've decided that's what I was gonna do. So, I'm gonna stop and talk to a few of them. And just so you know, today, I brought the Nikon Z6ii with the 50mm Z 1.8S lens because that's what I wanted to use today. And I did bring the 14 to 30 just in case I wanted some kind of exaggerated wide angle shot. They're playing music in the background. I hope I don't get a copyright strike off of this. Okay, I'm trying to get away from it so I can talk to you. Anyways, we'll see what happens. I may have to voice over this at home. So I was walking down Main Street taking photographs of cars, and I come across this one that had a trophy on a running board. So I seeked out the owner, and he's going to tell us who he is and what this car is all about. What's your name, sir?
My name is Mike Isaacson.
Mike Isaacson.
I'm from Crossville, Tennessee. And the trophy you've seen on the running board was chosen by the City of Crossville Councilman. It's their choice of car for the car show today.
What kind of car is this?
It's a 1934 Plymouth PE 4-door. I've owned the car for 33 years.
33 years.
Been working on it the whole time, and you never get finished with them. There's still more to do.
Well, it's a beautiful car.
Thank you very much, sir.
I love your choice of colors, too.
Thank you.
Okay.
My wife picked those out.
Okay. Thank you very much. Well, it's pretty hot down here today. That's going to about do it for the Crossville Cruisin in Crossville, Tennessee. Today's date is June 28th, 2025. And they do this on the last Saturday of the month from 12 o'clock till 4 o'clock in downtown Crossville, Tennessee. I think they've only doing it maybe about 4 months this year. So August, this is June, I'm sorry, July may be the last month. I'm not too sure. You can look it up on the internet, look them up on the Facebook or somewhere over there and get the info. So I'm going to close out this video with a little aerial video at the very end of the show here, so you get an idea what downtown Crossville looks like. I appreciate y'all coming today and watching the video. I was glad to bring it to you from downtown Crossville, the Cruisin Crossville Car Show for June 28, 2025. See y'all later. Bye-bye.